A quick video on how to use neutral override on a 2019 Jeep Grand Cherokee. I want to do the wheel alignment on this car. I have to enable the neutral so I can do the rollout on the alignment lift. So I have to be in a neutral position. Every time you put this in neutral, with the ignition in the on position, it goes back into park on its own. So this is where is the neutral override inside the console right here. So there is a cover right here. I have to just remove this. I'm just working with one hand. All right, this is out. So here it is. You have to move this lock here this way toward it says unlock. See the arrow, and then you pull this. I'm gonna use it. Let me use a pick here. 1 second, please. All right, this will work. So I'm just gonna use one hand to hold the camera and one hand to pull this. So you can see this. Unlock and pull it. See it? Now the car is in neutral right now. As you can see, I can roll it. It's backward and forward. Alright, so this is how we do neutral override. And when you put it back, sorry, I keep moving the camera, but this is what happens when it's one-man show. Alright, so this is the lock again. You gotta pull this up, the red string, you're gonna pull it up first. Let me just see here. You see this? Again here. So now this is back in here, the click. It's back in. Alright, so the car back. Trying to move it here. Now it's in park position. Okay, this is how we do override on a 2019 Jeep Cherokee. Thank you for watching.